Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for studying English with us.
Today, we have a very important and practical topic. Today, we will talk about going to the pharmacy.
Yes, sometimes we feel sick. Sometimes we have a headache or a cold. When we feel bad, we need to go to the pharmacy.
Some people call it a drugstore. In some countries, people call it a chemist. But today, we will use the word pharmacy.
We go to the pharmacy to get medicine. We go to the pharmacy to buy vitamins. We even go there for simple things like bandages.
Today, we will learn easy English words to use at the pharmacy. We will learn how to ask for medicine. We will also learn how to understand the instructions from the pharmacist.
Don't worry. We will speak slowly. We will use easy sentences. This lesson is perfect for A1 and A2 English levels.
Let's begin. Health is very important for everyone. When we are healthy, we are happy.
But everyone gets sick sometimes. You might have a cough. You might have a sore throat. When this happens, you need help.
At the pharmacy, there is a professional worker. We call this person a pharmacist. They know a lot about medicine.
We will learn words like prescription, symptoms, and dosage. These words help us get the right medicine.
We will also learn words like tablets, syrup, and side effects. These words help us take the medicine safely.
Symptom means the sign of an illness. For example, a fever is a symptom. A runny nose is a symptom.
Now, let's listen to a conversation. Levi is feeling sick today. Ella is the pharmacist. Levi is at the pharmacy to get some help. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I don't feel very well. I think I have a cold.
I am sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
Well, I have a very bad cough. I also have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever, but my head hurts a little.
Okay, how long have you felt like this?
It started yesterday morning. It is getting worse now.
I see. Do you have a prescription from a doctor?
No, I don't. I just want something over the counter.
Over the counter? What does that mean?
It means medicine I can buy without a doctor's note.
Oh, I understand. For your cough, I recommend this syrup. For your headache, you can take these tablets.
Thank you. How should I take them?
For the syrup, take 2 spoons every 6 hours. For the tablets, take 1 tablet twice a day.
Should I take them after I eat?
Yes, it is better to take them after a meal. This protects your stomach.
Are there any side effects?
This medicine might make you feel sleepy. You should not drive after taking it.
Okay, I understand. How much is the dosage for the syrup?
The dosage is 10 milliliters. There is a small cup inside the box.
Great, I will take both. How much is the total?
That will be $15, please.
Here is $20.
And here's your change and your receipt. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Ella. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
That was the end of the first conversation. Levi and Ella talked about Levi's illness.
Yes, Levi was very clear about his problems. He told the pharmacist exactly how he felt.
This is very important. If you tell the pharmacist your symptoms, they can help you better.
When you go to a pharmacy, you can say, I have a headache. Or you can say, I need medicine for a cold.
Learning these words helps you stay safe. You need to know how much medicine to take.
In the conversation, Levi and Ella used pharmacy words. They talked about symptoms, prescription, and dosage.
They also talked about side effects. Side effects are things that happen to your body when you take medicine.
For example, some medicine makes you feel tired. Some medicine makes your stomach feel funny.
Levi was careful. He asked about the dosage. Dosage means the amount of medicine you take.
It is very important to follow the dosage. Taking too much medicine is dangerous.
Now, we will learn some important pharmacy words. We will explain them slowly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat the words after us?
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. We are here to help you.
Yes, every word you learn makes you stronger in English.
Let's start with our first word. Symptom.
Symptom.
A symptom is a sign that you are sick.
Example 1.
A cough is a common symptom of a cold.
Example 2.
What are your symptoms today?
Example 3.
Fever and headache are symptoms of the flu.
It is a very common word in health.
When the doctor asks, "What is wrong?" you tell them your symptoms.
Symptoms help people understand your illness. You can have many symptoms or just one.
For example, you can say, "My main symptom is a stomach ache."
Or you can say, I have no symptoms, but I feel tired.
When you call a doctor, they always ask for symptoms. It is the first step to getting better.
Now let's learn our next word.
Prescription.
Prescription.
A prescription is a piece of paper from a doctor for medicine.
Example 1.
I need a prescription to buy this medicine.
Example 2.
The doctor wrote me a prescription for antibiotics.
Example 3.
Give your prescription to the pharmacist.
Some medicine is very strong.
You cannot buy strong medicine without a prescription.
The doctor must decide if you need it. Then the doctor writes the name of the medicine on the paper.
You take that paper to the pharmacy. The pharmacist reads the prescription.
Then they give you the right medicine. This is a very important rule in many countries.
Always keep your prescription safe. If you lose it, you cannot get the medicine.
Now, let's move to the next word. Dosage.
Dosage.
Dosage is the correct amount of medicine to take.
Example 1.
What is the dosage for this syrup?
Example 2.
The dosage is 2 tablets every morning.
Example 3.
Please do not change the dosage.
Dosage is about numbers.
1 pill, 2 pills, or 5 milliliters.
You must follow the dosage exactly. If the dosage is small, use a small spoon.
If the dosage is for a child, it is usually lower. Always check the label for the dosage.
If you are not sure, ask the pharmacist. You can ask, what is the correct dosage for me?
This will keep you safe and healthy.
Now we will listen to the conversation again. This time we will go very slowly.
Please listen carefully. Pay attention to the words about the pharmacy.
You will hear words like symptoms, prescription, and dosage.
You do not need to understand every word. Just listen to the sound of the English language.
Ready? Let's listen.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I don't feel very well. I think I have a cold.
I am sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
Well, I have a very bad cough. I also have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever, but my head hurts a little.
Okay, how long have you felt like this?
It started yesterday morning. It is getting worse now.
I see. Do you have a prescription from a doctor?
No, I don't. I just want something over the counter.
Over the counter? What does that mean?
It means medicine I can buy without a doctor's note.
Oh, I understand. For your cough, I recommend this syrup. For your headache, you can take these tablets.
Thank you. How should I take them?
For the syrup, take 2 spoons every 6 hours. For the tablets, take 1 tablet twice a day.
Should I take them after I eat?
Yes, it is better to take them after a meal. This protects your stomach.
Are there any side effects?
This medicine might make you feel sleepy. You should not drive after taking it.
Okay, I understand. How much is the dosage for the syrup?
The dosage is 10 milliliters. There is a small cup inside the box.
Great, I will take both. How much is the total?
That will be $15, please.
Here is $20.
And here is your change and your receipt. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Ella. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good job listening. That was the slow version of the conversation.
Listening slowly helps you hear the T and D sounds. It helps you understand how sentences are built.
You can listen to this part many times. Repetition is the key to learning English.
Now, let's learn another pharmacy word. Over-the-counter.
Over the counter.
Over-the-counter means medicine you buy without a prescription.
Example 1.
I bought some over-the-counter medicine for my cold.
Example 2.
You can find aspirin over the counter.
Example 3.
Do I need a prescription or is it over the counter?
We often say OTC for short.
OTC medicine is for simple problems.
Problems like a small headache or a runny nose. You can find these medicines on the shelves in the pharmacy.
You don't need to see a doctor first, but you should still be careful.
Read the instructions even if it is over the counter.
Now let's learn the next word. Side effects.
Side effects.
Side effects are extra unwanted results of a medicine.
Example 1.
Dizziness is a side effect of this pill.
Example 2.
Does this medicine have any side effects?
Example 3.
One side effect is feeling very sleepy.
Most medicines have side effects.
Some are small, like a dry mouth.
Some are bigger, like feeling sick in the stomach.
Pharmacists usually tell you about the most common side effects.
They might say, this will make you drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy.
If you feel strange after taking medicine, call your doctor.
Now let's learn another word.
Tablets.
Tablets.
Tablets are small, solid pieces of medicine.
Example 1.
Take 2 tablets with water.
Example 2.
The tablets are in the white bottle.
Example 3.
I find it hard to swallow large tablets.
Tablets are very common. Some people call them pills.
You usually swallow them with a glass of water. Some tablets you can chew.
Always check if you should swallow or chew them.
Now, let's listen to the conversation again. This time, we will listen at natural speed. This is how people talk in the real world.
Don't worry if it feels fast. You are doing a great job.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I don't feel very well. I think I have a cold.
I am sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
Well, I have a very bad cough. I also have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever, but my head hurts a little.
Okay, how long have you felt like this?
It started yesterday morning. It is getting worse now.
I see. Do you have a prescription from a doctor?
No, I don't. I just want something over the counter.
Over the counter? What does that mean?
It means medicine I can buy without a doctor's note.
Oh, I understand. For your cough, I recommend this syrup. For your headache, you can take these tablets.
Thank you. How should I take them?
For the syrup, take 2 spoons every 6 hours. For the tablets, take 1 tablet twice a day.
Should I take them after I eat?
Yes, it is better to take them after a meal. This protects your stomach.
Are there any side effects?
This medicine might make you feel sleepy. You should not drive after taking it.
Okay, I understand. How much is the dosage for the syrup?
The dosage is 10 milliliters. There is a small cup inside the box.
Great, I will take both. How much is the total?
That will be $15, please.
Here is $20.
And here's your change and your receipt. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Ella. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Well done. You finished the natural speed conversation.
You are becoming an expert at pharmacy English. This will help you a lot when you travel.
Knowing how to talk to a pharmacist is very useful. It gives you confidence.
Now, let's learn a few more words before we finish. Syrup.
Syrup.
Syrup is a liquid medicine, usually sweet.
Example 1.
This cough syrup tastes like cherry.
Example 2.
Give the child 1 spoon of syrup.
Example 3.
I prefer syrup over tablets.
Syrup is easy for children to take.
It is often used for coughs or sore throats.
It coats the throat and feels good.
Now let's learn the next word. Pharmacist.
Pharmacist.
A pharmacist is the person who works in the pharmacy.
Example 1.
Ask the pharmacist for advice.
Example 2.
The pharmacist is preparing my medicine.
Example 3.
A pharmacist must study for many years.
They wear a white coat usually.
They are experts in medicine.
You can trust their advice.
Now let's learn our last word. Expiration date.
Expiration date.
The expiration date is the date when the medicine is no longer good.
Example 1.
Check the expiration date on the bottle.
Example 2.
This medicine is past its expiration date.
Example 3.
Do not take medicine after the expiration date.
Old medicine can be dangerous.
Always throw away medicine that is too old.
It might not work anymore.
Elizabeth, have you ever had a problem at the pharmacy?
Oh, yes. One time I was traveling in a different country. I had a very bad allergy. My eyes were red and itchy. I went to the pharmacy, but I forgot the word for itchy.
Oh no, what did you do?
I used my hands. I scratched my eyes to show the pharmacist. I said, "My symptoms are red eyes and this." The pharmacist laughed a little, but he understood me.
Did he give you medicine?
Yes, he gave me some eye drops. But then I forgot to ask about the dosage. I almost took too much.
That is why we are learning these words today. So our students don't have that problem.
Exactly. Now I always check the dosage and the expiration date. It is better to be safe.
You learned many new words today. Now it is time to review.
Review helps you remember. Please listen and repeat.
Let's review today's words.
Listen and repeat.
Symptom.
A sign of illness. Fever is a symptom.
Prescription.
A doctor's note for medicine. I have a prescription.
Dosage.
The amount of medicine to take. The dosage is 2 pills.
Over the counter.
Medicine you buy without a doctor's note. This is an over-the-counter pill.
Side effects.
Unwanted results of medicine. Sleepiness is a side effect.
Tablets.
Solid pieces of medicine. Swallow the tablets with water.
Syrup.
Liquid medicine. Cough syrup is sweet.
Pharmacist.
The person who works at the pharmacy. Talk to the pharmacist.
Expiration date.
The date when medicine is old. Check the expiration date.
Fever.
When your body is too hot. He has a high fever.
Painkiller.
Medicine that stops pain. I need a painkiller for my tooth.
Bandage.
Something to cover a cut. Put a bandage on your finger.
Excellent work today. You studied many pharmacy words.
Keep practicing at home. You can look at your medicine at home and read the labels in English.
Great job today. You learned how to talk to a pharmacist.
Now you can take care of your health in English.
What symptoms do you have when you have a cold?
Do you prefer tablets or syrup?
Thank you for studying with us.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time at World English Studio.